Okay guys, this is a day in the life with me. So first I went to the restaurant and as you can see there's no people yet because it hasn't opened yet. Yeah, and it opens at I don't even know what time it opens. But anyways, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. And yeah, right. As you can see, one customer just went. I'm just gonna use this hand sanitizer. Okay. See you really quick. Make sure you give us a review. So this is all the spices that my mom used. And yeah, these are all the drinks. The menu. If you want to order, and if you're lazy like the other people, then just go ahead. But you have to do card. Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna go for a little walk. Garfield's coming! Okay, I'm gonna go for a little walk. And back. Walk. And back. Walk. And back. Walk. And back. Bye, guys.